guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some DIY aesthetic K-pop notebooks you can do for back to school. This is part 2 of my DIY K-pop back to school series, so make sure to subscribe and help our little family grow and to see more DIYs from me. So let's get started. For this Taehyung notebook, you're going to need one notebook. And you're also going to need a printout of a Taehyung drawing. I chose this one from Aiki Miki on Tumblr, but you can choose whatever drawing you would like. Just make sure you get permission from the artist first. And then you're going to need a white pen. And lastly, you're just going to need Mod Podge and a sponge brush. So this is probably the easiest DIY out of the 4 notebooks that we're going to make. So the first thing you're going to do is flip your image and put on Mod Podge. And once that's done, you can go ahead and flip the image over and place it onto your notebook. And you can just finish it off here, or if you would like, I've decided to put on some little stars and accents with my white gel pen, just to make it look a little prettier and make Taehyung sparkle, of course. I mean, not like he doesn't already, but you guys know what I mean. But anyways, you can choose any drawing you want, just make sure to ask the artist for their permission to use it. And if you really like Aiki Miki's drawing style, I will leave her Tumblr link down below, as well as her drawing that I used for this notebook. And that is it for this notebook, pretty easy and simple, and it turned out really cute. For this EXO Galaxy notebook, you're going to need a notebook. And you're also going to need some black paint, a sponge brush, and a white gel pen. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your sponge brush and dip it into some black paint. And then you're just going to go ahead and dab it all around the notebook. So what I did here is to make the paint be more concentrated in the center and then gradually fade out. You can just basically see what I'm doing here. And after the first coat, I let that dry and then went ahead and did a second coat on top of that. So once I let that dry, I went ahead and started to do the EXO logo. So I got my ruler out and I decided to do the 6 points of the logo just so I know where to connect the lines. So this is what I did here, just so it could help me connect the lines better and know where I'm going. Just basically for me to not mess up, because I did not do so well in geometry in high school, so I knew that I was not gonna mess up on this EXO logo. But yeah, anyways, this is what I did, and I think it turned out pretty good. I didn't mess up, so it's fine. I just connected the rest of the lines to each point, so yeah, that's what I did. So once that's done, I decided to make little stars all across the notebook with my gel pen. I then got my silver washi tape and decided to put it along the side of the notebook. And that is it for this EXO notebook. I thought it turned out really cool and it gives off that galaxy vibe. For the star holographic notebook, you're going to need a notebook. And you're also going to need an image of your choice. I decided to go with Unwoo. And you're also going to need some star holographic transparent film. I will leave a link down below to where you can get this. And of course, you're going to need some Mod Podge and a sponge brush. So the first thing you're going to do is to place the holographic film onto the image. And so what I did here was to peel off the holographic film first and then slide the image underneath. I then pushed the holographic film back and placed it onto the image. I did so very slowly, but I just fast forward through this whole part. And just make sure that there's no air bubbles as you're doing this. I then cut the image out and then Mod Podged it onto the notebook. You can stop here and leave it as is, but I decided to get my holographic washi tape and make a border around the picture. And that is it for this notebook. I thought it was a really cool idea to add a little bit more sparkle to your notebooks. For the BlackPink's Kill This Love notebook, you're going to need a notebook. You're also going to need black cardstock paper, some scissors, a flower of your choice, some gold washi tape and gold letter stickers. I just forgot to film the gold letter stickers. And you're also going to need some Mod Podge as well. So the first thing you're going to do is Mod Podge your notebook and place the cardstock on top. And you can smooth that out so you cannot get any air bubbles, and then cut the excess off around the notebook. And then you can go ahead and get your flower. I picked a rose because my bias is rosé. Not the same thing. It's fine, but you know what I mean. But anyways, I got some gold washi tape and cut that out and placed it on top of the flower. You can go ahead and hot glue the flower. I just didn't for the video, but yeah, you can go ahead and hot glue that on. And then I went ahead and got my gold letter stickers and spelled out Kill This Love. So I decided to spell out Kill This Love right above the flower in an arc form, and this is how it turned out. It's very simple yet elegant, and yeah, I thought it turned out pretty cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe to our little family and to see part 3 that is coming up soon. And if you recreate any of these DIYs, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!